Hey, this will be a video chart on BEDA. This one has been showing some more signs of life here, so I want to get it updated and mapped out here. So if interested, you can put it on your radars. So let's just dig in. The first thing that I like about the chart that's had going to it since it's essentially woke up, and what I mean by waking up is look down here at the volume. You can see there's essentially been nothing. And then right here, basically in early January, had some volume creeping in, and then you had some nice price reaction going on. So since all that's begun, what we have here is the ability to draw a nice uptrend line. You can see, change it to green real quick since it does represent a support level, but you can see since the trend line has been established, there's been multiple times where the price has come down and bounced off of it. Maybe you can count that right there, it's kind of close enough. But basically what this is telling us is, from a psychological standpoint, what uptrend lines means is when people want shares on the bid, as time increases, they are having to up their bids. They need to continually put in higher bids in order to get shares because the stock continues to put in higher lows. And that is, that's the name of the game. In order for stocks to go up, people have to pay more. And if people are continually having to up their bids to get shares, then that's gonna what's allow for these uptrend lines to take place. So this, excuse me, is the key level of support for the chart. So this is the level where, if there's any sort of pullbacks, you want to see it continue to hold up above here, like it has, as I pointed out, the past about 3 times. Now today, what really caught my eye on this one was down here, looking at the volume. You can see the biggest volume it's had in probably about 2 or 3 weeks. And when you see volume like that, is it a guarantee that something bigger is about to come? No, that's not the case. I mean, obviously there's no guarantees within charts, but is it a sign that maybe something else is getting ready to happen? Possibly. It's worth at least throwing on your radar. That's, I guess, the easiest way to put it is volume can sometimes lead to bigger moves, and with volume like this, maybe there's more things to come. Perhaps, the company put out some news today that was, well liked and worth, buying in. But regardless, I don't know what happened. All I know is that something good was going on because there is big volume and the price reacted nicely. Now, it didn't close up the high of the day, so this little section of the candle was profit takers, and if I had to guess, it was probably profit takers from people that were accumulating shares down in this area here. They bought on this pullback, and now this is where they are reaping their reward. So some of this is probably just retail people, taking their profits, the chartists, the flippers, the day traders, whatever you want to call them. But congratulations to them. They bought when other people were getting scared down here, and then on the bounce, this is where they, ring the register and cash in for their patience and, trading strategy of buying down here. Now on the upside, where are the resistance levels that we're looking for? We already know where our support level is, being that trend line there. But now on any sort of upside, where are the resistance levels? The first one, and I think this is just more of a minor one, is going to be this 0.002. The reason I think it's minor is, it was put in today and it came down. So there was a seller up here at 0.002. If there's any more, I'm guessing this move up here has weakened it. So from a charting perspective, yes, it is a resistance, but I'm just going to, leave it a skinny red line because I don't think it's going to put up much of a fight if there is another push back upwards. The key areas of resistance, though, are going to be up here, right around the 0.0024 area. Yes, it did technically go up right there to 0.0025, but this level, I think, will be the main resistance level to get through. I think that if this 0.0024 can fall, then 0.0025, I don't really see putting in much of a fight. And then going like this, you can see things could really start to take off. We do have the 200-day simple moving average sloping down, which is valued at 0.0027. But one step at a time right now. Just got to concentrate on hopefully getting above 0.002 and then seeing how it reacts around 0.00024. But for the time being, it is starting to show some strength and continues to make a nice uptrend here. So as long as this trend line holds strong, then for the people that are playing the daily chart, you can stay happy because, like I explained earlier, there are higher lows being put in, which means people are having to up their bids in order to get stock if they want to on any sort of pullback. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is everything's free, so it's worth at least checking out. No strings attached. So you really got nothing to lose. One more time, this was BEDA. Thanks for listening.